Hi guys, this is Jedi Muscle Mark, and today we are going to unbox Luke and Leia from Star Wars: A New Hope. Let's look at the packaging. In the front of the box, we can see Leia and Luke as themselves. At the back, we can see the figures that we need to collect. We have Stormtrooper, TIE Pilot, Ezra Bridger, and Kanan Jarrus, and last but not least, Hera Syndulla and Stormtrooper Commander. Let's unbox it right now. And here is Luke and Leia. And here is Luke out of the packaging with his helmet. And Princess Leia with his gun. And here is Luke and Leia. And their head can rotate. Arms and feet. And Luke's helmet is removable. And here is Princess Leia with her gun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and may the force be with you.